Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another creative session with me. My name is Ranish and I'm from team The Bodhi Journal. So we'll be introducing a set of simple, easy to curate and minimal DIY ideas using these two mini booklets that are uniquely themed and I've got some unique illustrations in it. One is the Vintage Elements vellum booklet and the other one is the Boho Abstract Design booklet. And both of them have got 100 designs each. What's better than that? So without any further ado, let's hop onto the video. Introducing the Boho Abstract Design booklet with aesthetic abstract designs inspired by nature, femininity, and different abstract shapes. Embracing a warm and earthy color palette will surely bring a sense of grounding and tranquility to your creations. Introducing the enchanting world of the past with a stunning collection of vintage-inspired design elements. Each page of the booklet is of premium quality vellum, ensuring a smooth and translucent surface. Starting off with our first DIY concept to revamp an old plastic container. Here are the prerequisites of the project. Initiating the process by applying glue on the outer surface of the container, followed by sticking the yarn to cover the entire outer surface. I'm using the black colored yarn for an overall cohesive look, covering up the white spaces and the container rim for a more smoother finish. Next, cutting out a circular sheet of the same dimension as of the container's base. Now decorating the cutout using elements from our vintage vellum booklet as primary elements and vintage ephemera booklet as a base. Adding few other elements like dot stickers and word stickers to finish the overall look of the article. Lastly, adding a layer of black yarn on the boundaries of the cutout to give it a three-dimensional look and fixing it inside the container now. Oh, just to finish up the art piece with a couple of other vellum elements using cutouts with a plain white base. Now styling it in two different ways, elevating my studio with this recycled DIY vintage art piece as a desk accessory or as a hanging article. For the next DIY concept, Boho Twig frame, here are the prerequisites. Starting with combining the 4 twigs at the junctions and threading them up all together. Remember to tightly secure all the 4 twigs from all the 4 intersections. Tying the yarn in a crisscross manner to place it at a perfect 90-degree angle. And here's the final look. The process is followed by tying a single layer of yarn across the opposite twigs and stick a plain or textured sheet according to preference as the base of the article. Now simply taking out a couple of leaves of my choice from the Boho Abstract Design booklet. Just to add a personal essence to this DIY article, I'm adding a few motivating word stickers on each leaf. decorating the base with few more other vellum elements and other word stickers. Finishing the article by clipping up the leaves on the thread. And voila! My DIY boho desk accessory is ready. And look! It looks so minimal and chic, isn't it? So that is it, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. So now you can also effortlessly and creatively elevate your spaces, just like I did to my studio space. So do share your creations with us on our Instagram handle, the link to which, and along with all the product links, will be mentioned in the description below. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and for more such creative sessions, you can subscribe to our channel. Again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in another video. Till then, keep creating. Bye bye.